Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a collaboration and it's called Celebrate the Holidays, and that's hosted by Marie at Bargainbluebird. So the co-host of this collab is Mom at Creative DIY with Momdas. So I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host channels down in the description box below, along with the playlist. So make sure full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and head on over to that playlist so that you can get some wonderful ideas for the holidays. So jumping into the video, what I decided to make today was a fall wreath with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Remember that all the items that I'm using to create this craft will be listed in the description box below. Now let's jump into the video. So what I'm doing here is I purchased that wreath form. It's a pretty big one and I got it at the Dollar Tree. Then I purchased that beige ribbon. It's almost burlappy. We're going to be wrapping the entire wreath with this wreath form all the way around. What I forgot to mention was that burlap ribbon or that beige ribbon that I purchased, I did get that at the Dollar General. So now that we finished wrapping the wreath all the way around with that burlap ribbon, now it's time to move on over to the florals, and all of these I purchased at the Dollar Tree. Now what I'm doing here is I bunched up the florals as I arranged them, and then we're wrapping this around with that jute twine all the way around to kind of keep them together before we glue them down to that wreath. So now that we have those florals tied down, now you can go ahead and manipulate them until you arrange them in a way that you like them. Then we're going to go ahead and glue that small little pumpkin that fell off of one of those stems. We're going to glue that down. So what I'm doing here is we're going to glue this ribbon. These are the tails, okay? We're going to glue that to the bottom of this wreath, and then we're going to go ahead and continue on by making a bow. So now that I have the bow done, now it's time to glue that down. This came out absolutely beautiful.